Yeah, so welcome to MojoCAD. Yeah, and today I'll be introducing my next, step-by-step tutorial series whereby I'll be looking at this mini tractor. Yeah, it's a mini working tractor, so please, these are some of the things that you'll be expecting to see, and I was able to come up with them. Yeah, so thank you so much for always keeping around, and also expect so many videos. So such the design can be used for students that are doing mechanical engineering, agriculture engineering. Yeah, or a simple project, a simple do it yourself project that you feel will be helpful to you. Yeah, remember, engineering is about solving problems. So this design I basically describe. Actually, I'll be showing you guys how I came up with this. If you've been around, you are familiar with this engine that I downloaded from, GrabCAD. I will share it in the description. Yeah, I normally leave a link. Yeah, then also I think I added these members, these Aplama blocks, or yeah, bearings, and they are basically downloaded. So to save time, I normally download some of the things online because I mean I need to save time, and also if they are already there, then I shouldn't repeat this. Yeah, so but still I have a video on how to do some of these so you can follow along. I think it was the pellet making machine whereby I had to go step by step. Yeah, so this will be the working tractor. Yeah, these are the wheels. Yeah, they're having these pieces to allow traction. Yeah, better traction in muddy areas. Yeah, then also it's made from rectangular hollow sections. Yeah, though somebody somewhere can still use round pipes. Yeah, so this is it. Then this is the plow. Yeah, so it can be attached or removed, or you can put any other type. It can be a disc type. Yeah, this is for adjustment. Yeah, then also some people normally put the wheel down here, or the leveling wheel. Yeah, not sure whether that's the right name, but yeah, that will helps in maintaining the depth of the hole for the plow. Then also it's overhanging in here, so I'm thinking of adding reinforcement to connect to this point. Yeah, so this will be our next step-by-step tutorial series, and please keep around. Feel free to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Yeah, so I had some parts hidden, and these are basically covers. Yeah, so this is it. Please keep around. I'll be going through step by step. I'll start with the frame, do the wheels, the sprockets. Yeah, up to the point where we reach this level. So please keep around. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Thank you so much. Yeah, happy new year, happy 2026 all of you.